Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to book flight tickets online on Philippine Airlines. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And if you want to create an account on Philippine Airlines, you can use our link in the description down below where you can get discounts or rewards upon signing up. So without any further ado, let's get started. So yes, you can see Philippine Airlines is one of the best platform you can use when you're in the Philippines and you want to book a flight, international flight or local flight. So yeah, if you want, you can just go to their website right here, philippineairlines.com, and right here you can now directly book your flight. So first, right here you will see this tabs right here, this section right here. So right here you can now choose the type of your flight, whether it's one way or round trip. So it's up to you. The passengers, the amount of passengers that your tickets will have, and the promo code if you have one. So just choose the information that suits you, and right here from here you can now choose your location, where you are and where you want to go. So for example, so yes, you can see, for example, I choose now location. So let's say I'm from Cebu and I want to travel internationally to Hong Kong, for example. So let's just choose Hong Kong. Let's just choose the date, okay, right here. And after I click search, so you can see right here now, I can now see a departure flights date that I can choose now. So as you can see, it depends on the date, or it depends on the day, and each day has its own ticket price, or an approximate ticket price per user. So as you can see, if I scroll down right here, I can see more detailed information regarding the flights itself, the time of departure, and also the time of arrival. And I can see the itinerary details to see more details about the flights, the how long would the flight will be, and the station itself. So from 12 o'clock, I'm going to Cebu, and it would take 3 hours and 5 minutes to get to Hong Kong. So yes, that's it, and it also shows the date. So the date would be July 16, Wednesday. So yeah, you just need to make sure that you read all the details so that you can see, or you can plan ahead whether you want to go or not. And after you choose your preferred flight, as you can see, you can now choose your the class of your flight, whether it's economy or business. It's up to you. If you're preferred economy, you can choose this one. It's cheaper, and if you want business, it's more expensive, but yeah, it will offer you more benefits. So let's just choose economy first. So right here, if I click economy, it has three types of economy: economy saver, economy value, and economy flex. And each economy, or each class, each type has its own description, or has its own benefits. So for economy saver, the checked baggage is 23 kilogram included only, seat reservation included, earn miles, 50% PR operated flight, miles upgrade not available, flexibility, refund permitted with a fee, and change permitted with a fee. And economy value, the check baggage improved from 25 to 30 kilogram, and the seats reservation still included, but the earn miles is 75% PR operated flight. The miles upgrade is not available still, and same thing with flexibility, refund permitted with a fee, change permitted with a fee. And also the ticket price itself, the flight cost itself increase. And for the economy flex, which is the most recommended one, check baggage is 35 kilogram, included the seat reservation, earn miles it's 100%, the miles upgrade is eligible, and then the flexibility, refund permitted with a fee, and the change permitted no fee. So yeah, it's free for the change permitted. So it's up to you. It's if you want to choose saver, value, or flex. But yeah, if you have one, just click select. And as you can see right here, if I click select, I can see more details about the class. There's a comparison from economy flex to business flex. You will have an option to upgrade from economy to business flex. But yeah, it's up to you. So for now, I'm going to keep my economy flex. So after I click that, right here, as you can see, I can now choose my return flight. So previously it's a departure flight, so now I'm going to choose my return flight from Hong Kong to back to Cebu. So also I can choose the date itself, so it's up to me whether I choose the more cheaper price, and it depends on the date. And right here you can see more flights, and you can see more detailed, and also the price itself. So yeah, you can choose the most cheapest one, and make sure that you see the itinerary details too, so that you can see where you will need to depart, and where you would be arriving. So also the duration of the flight itself. So this is a return flight from Hong Kong to Cebu. So as you can see right here, I can see a bunch of stations that I need to go before I arrive to my destination, and it correlates their total duration. So right here, so the total duration would be 6 hours and 5 minutes. So that would be how long my flights will be. So just click close. So right here, I'm going to choose this one, economy again, and select my types of economy. So it's up to you. Just click select if you want. So right here, keep economy flex. I don't want to upgrade. So after you choose departing flight and returning flight information, so you will be redirected to this page where you can see more details, and you can just make clarification and make final change. As you can see, you can make final change before you agree to the flight. And after that, after you agree, you can just review the condition, their goods and policy, their detailed baggage policy. You need to read this so that you can avoid violating them. And after that, just click fill passenger details, and right here you will be redirected to this page where you need to input now your information. So you need to choose your title, your name, first name, last name, your gender, your date of birth, and if you have a frequent flyer cards, you can use it. For example, you have Mabuhay Miles or All Nippon Airways. It's up to you, and you just need to input its corresponding number. And for the advance information, you need to put your passport details, your document number, the expiration date of your passport, and the government ID that is being issued to your passport. And if you want special assistance, it's up to you. And lastly, your contact information, your email address, your phone type, which is whether it's business or personal number, and also your country calling code. So yeah, that's it. Your country calling code and your mobile phone number. And yeah, after you're done, after you're done with that, just click this one if you understand that your details will be processed in accordance with PAL's privacy policy, and if your booking is made via a reservation system provider with its privacy policy. So you can just check all of this right here. So you agree to these conditions, and after that just click confirm, and you will now be redirected to the payment. So you can choose whether you pay online or you pay to the Philippine Airlines itself, to their branch, and it's up to you. So after you're done on paying, your flight will be in process of confirmation. So you just need to wait until the Philippine Airlines confirm your booking. And if your flight is confirmed, they will send you a notification to your contact information saying that it is confirmed, and you just need to wait until your departure. And yeah, that's it. So yeah, that's how easy it is to book a flight on Philippine Airlines. Is one of the best platform you can use when you're in the Philippines. And yeah, that's it for this video. If you want more, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next one.